Netflix, I've been kind of tempted to get into this thing today. It's doing well. It's up 2.5%. It's rallied 3 days. I can't even remember the last time we saw a 3-day rally. I guess back in July. So it's been a couple months. This thing has just continued to go down. It's broken out of this bearish wedge. So that's something to get interested in. The stop loss, the risk reward on the trade is still pretty favorable. I think if it goes back below 286, you should probably get out of it. I didn't buy it. I opted for Square instead. I wanted to play the bounce in that instead. So far, so good. But yeah, I mean, it's starting to look a little bit more positive. It's breaking above the 20-day moving average. Bigger picture here. You can see the bullish wedge there. It did break out of it. It has a long-term trend line that you go way back to like 2016. It did break it, so there could be some resistance there at around like the 310 area if it continues to move higher. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out some of these other cool videos that I've done. And if you want to swing trade with me each and every day, you can do so by going to www.shareplanner.com/splash zone. Thanks and happy trading.